Good morning, traders. Richard here doing quick Ichimoku cloud chart market update on Bitcoin. In the last update, we were looking at this breakout through the cloud chart resistance, but the resistance held and Bitcoin reversed lower, only now to test and slice through the bottom end cloud. And the next downside target is this 37,306 support zone. Now, the outlook remains bearish since price action is below the cloud. It entered bearish territory when it sliced through this bottom end cloud chart support level here at the beginning of December, and it's been in a bearish outlook since then. It was encouraging to see that we're going to test that resistance zone, and we were expecting a breakout through there. That would have changed the outlook from bearish to bullish. Price action above the cloud is bullish from a Ichimoku cloud chart perspective, but so far not out the woods yet. Bitcoin ran into trouble. We can see this old cluster of resistance here. Previous cloud chart support is now a major resistance zone. Pulled that right through there. February highs, there's resistance, as well as the mid-February highs there also turned out to be resistance. So we're looking for support to be tested at 37,306. Will be interesting to see if we get a rebound from that zone. Fail that, then we can test much lower levels there. And we look at this old cloud chart support level down here that used to be support, and the rally to the upside is now possible support or resistance to the downside. So we'll see where that cluster of support's coming through. So if we scroll back here and we minimize that, we can see these are the two downside risk levels, key support zones in this current downtrend in Bitcoin since price action is below the cloud. Now, we were looking at the 4 hour to see it ran into trouble at the top in the cloud, did break through there, outlook changed back to bullish, and then unfortunately sliced to the bottom end of the cloud. Outlook changed back to bearish on the 4 hour chart, and we're now looking at these lows here as the next key potential rebound zone or support levels to be tested, looking at 37,399, and then the other level here is 35,957. So these are the two downside risk support zones. Currently, whenever Bitcoin gets too far from the bottom in the cloud, we can get kind of a mean reversion trade, and that would be a swing trade back up to these levels there. These old support zones is now resistance zones, as well as the front end cloud resistance zone. These are two levels to watch out for to the upside. So we kind of range bound now. We're close to this support zone where we could see a rebound back up to the bottom end of the cloud. That's the potential swing trade, but do realize that any trade now is contrarian trade, and since price action is bearish, price action is below the bottom end of the cloud. If we look at the hourly, also ran into trouble there at the bottom end of the cloud, significant resistance on the hourly basis. We really need to see Bitcoin trade back above the top end of the cloud to be bullish on the hourly. So outlook remains bearish on the hourly, bearish on the 4 hour, bearish on the daily, with potential swing trades coming in at these key support zones. Close to the bottom end, front end of the cloud, the first level to watch out for. Now, the good news is that we've got a cloud twist to the front end here. Right at the front is an early indication that the trend might be changing. So Bitcoin might put in a higher low here, and then we can see if we're going to get a kind of a rebound from these cloud chart levels here at the bottom end of the cloud. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.